Hello, my name is Jeremy Orlando. I'm going to be walking you through the 322 Torque toy hauler. Come inside, let's take a look. Okay, walking through this 322 Torque, I want to start up at the front. It does have a king walk-around bed, which is a unique feature in towable toy haulers. You can see up on the front wall, it does have the generator button to turn off while you're crawling into bed. You can turn your generator and kill switch off and turn that off. Moving forward, you have this huge lounge area, which each piece of it does recline. So it's a nice seating area for all. Good sized bathroom, great ceiling height in the bathroom, something to just really pay attention to. Moving into the kitchen, one thing very unique about this floor plan is the amount of counter space and the beautiful kitchen area that you do get. So for separation of space, this toy hauler really flows nicely. Has a great size microwave and TV up in the upper cabinet area. So just a good feel for the family to enjoy its time in. Moving to the back area of the toy hauler, you've got about a 12.5-foot garage, just over 5 feet. It's about 64 inches at the width of the bathroom, out to the 8 feet on the total width in the back end. And you do have the good old fun back deck with the rails and everything for that. So please come take a look, check this unit out. If you have any questions, get a hold of me. Moving to the outside, we do have a great outside kitchen area. It has the sink as well as a little pull-out grill and the refrigerator. Asdale construction in the wall, which is a good plus in this environment, something I would ask any salesman in the unit that you're considering. And it does have the onboard generator and fuel station included. Thank you for walking through the Torque 322. My name is Jeremy Orlando. If you want to contact me, please call me at 541-914-3693 so I can show you this unit or any other unit on the lot.